Imagine a blank canvas, a vast empty space brimming with potential. This image of emptiness serves as a metaphor for the foundational role it plays in creating meaning and function across various philosophical contexts. From the profound freedom in existentialism to the rebellious spirit in absurdism and the fluid multiplicity in postmodernism, emptiness emerges not as a void, but as a fertile ground for interpretation and significance. Existentialism, the freedom in nothingness. Existentialism, particularly through the lens of Jean-Paul Sartre, introduces nothingness as a central aspect of human existence. This emptiness, or nothingness, is not a void, but a space that allows for freedom and the creation of meaning. Sartre famously stated, "Existence precedes essence," emphasizing that humans must define their essence and purpose through their actions and choices. The emptiness within human existence becomes the foundation for individual freedom and potential. For Sartre, nothingness is the canvas upon which individuals paint their identities, making emptiness a crucial element in the existential pursuit of self-definition and authenticity. Absurdism, meaning in an indifferent universe. Albert Camus. Absurdism complements this existential view by exploring the inherent meaninglessness of life. Emptiness, in this context, provides the backdrop against which individuals can create their own meaning and value. Camus asserts, "The struggle itself is enough to fill a man's heart." One must imagine Sisyphus happy. Here, the emptiness of life becomes the starting point for personal rebellion and the creation of subjective meaning in an indifferent universe. The myth of Sisyphus symbolizes the human condition and the potential for finding joy and purpose, even within the futile and repetitive nature of existence, turning the void into a source of personal empowerment and defiance against absurdity. Postmodernism, the fluidity of meaning in texts. Postmodernism, particularly Jacques Derrida's deconstruction, extends this exploration into the realm of texts and meanings. Emptiness in texts reveals the instability and multiplicity of meanings, challenging the notion of fixed interpretations. Derrida's concept of difference captures this fluidity. There is nothing outside of the text. Emptiness thus becomes a space for multiple interpretations, highlighting the interdependence of meanings and contexts. In deconstruction, the void within a text is not a sign of deficiency, but a rich field where diverse meanings emerge and interact, reflecting the complex and layered nature of language and understanding. Universal patterns of emptiness, a convergence of philosophies. Existentialism, absurdism, and postmodernism collectively illustrate a universal pattern where emptiness becomes a fertile ground for the creation of meaning and function. Sartre's existential freedom, Camus' personal rebellion, and Derrida's deconstruction all show how emptiness allows for the generation of purpose and diverse interpretations. These insights collectively demonstrate that the principle of correspondence applies universally, with emptiness enabling individuals to define and interpret their existence and realities from personal existentialism to textual analysis. Emptiness, far from being a mere absence, emerges as a dynamic space of potential, creativity, and profound significance across all levels of personal meaning and understanding.